game formalities. I'm your commentator,
Peter Drury, and providing his unique brand of expert analysis, here's Jim Beglin.
Well, thanks, Peter. There's a great sense of anticipation in this stadium, and I've been hit by it too.
If you're just joining us, we are all... And the finish! And he's done it!
Listen, it's a great start, but we've seen teams surprise themselves with early goals before and sit back. They've got to avoid that.
And that is about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
Well, you know, sometimes it pays off not to think too much about things, just put your foot through it, and that was a good example. Great contact, and the keeper had very little chance.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Yeah, this is also a chance to see what happens to their level of concentration from here.
He's got away. Oh, good interception. Now it's Alcacer. And he's straight offside.
I thought he might just get the benefit of any doubt then.
Jordan Henderson tries a through ball, and he's on his way. Henderson produced a good ball to find. He's left his man. He scored inside the first 10 minutes. He'll have a it. Tries to get it forward quickly. Out to the left it goes. Now it's Alcacer. Looks to slip it through. Shoots! No mistake! And they are disappearing out of sight. Contact was crisp and clean. That was just a rocket.
Yeah, I just thought he made great use of his upper body there. It would have taken something really special to keep that out. This contest was still nicely poised, but now that it's gone to 2, mindsets are affected a lot more. Winning belief one way and that losing feeling the other.
Going through. Yeah, he's pulled him up for that challenge. Vidal. Can he score?
It's a carbon copy of their previous miss.
Paris Saint-Germain really putting a few chances together here. Taking one can only add to such good momentum now.
Away from immediate danger. Gorgeous control there. Alcacer. Musa. Drills one in. Shoots!
More and more and more and more! They are running riot! All too easy. They are in danger of disappearing out of sight.
What about that, Jim Beglin?
I just think it's clever positioning from clever movement, and when all of that is synchronised with the right pass, that's what happens.
Three without reply. This is becoming a stroll. Now it's Alcacer. Now it's Alcacer. Alcacer! thoughts?
I just think that's a good example of how you take advantage of a lapse in concentration. He was on the prowl, hungry, looking for any scraps that came his way, and he certainly gobbled up the chance, took it really well.
Coming up to half-time, leading, and things are looking pretty good. Henderson, he's got away. A chance! Tries one! Knocks it away. Crowd calling for him to shoot. Vidal has a goal! 6 to shoot! Boots it to safety. And it's Lallana. Ball's loose, who's getting there? Jordan Henderson. Is there any support? He might not need it. And we hit half-time. Well, that flew by. It was breathless stuff. It's been one-way traffic here after the first 45 minutes. A relentless barrage that looks set to continue.
Well, I've seen very little to indicate a comeback in this one, Peter. They've committed to this game with great desire and heart, and there's no need to back away from that.
And we're off again. No changes at half-time that we're aware of. And it's Musa. Musa. Alcacer spreads it towards the left. Hits one! And he's missed it.
Well, talking about a man on a mission, that was a super effort.
Lallana. Aimed long and direct. Now it's Alcacer. Room for a shot. He's had a go! He scores! Well, just another one to add to what has already been an incredible haul.
Well, I think we've gone past humiliation now. This could be doing some real psychological damage.
Made it 2, and no doubt he's hungry for more. So we've reached the hour mark. Forward it goes. Alcacer. Belts one. Oh, almost a sixth.
Well, I think a little eagerness just got the better of him. He may have been thinking about back page headlines there.
Did really well to intervene and dispel the growing danger. Brought forward. What does he try from here? Now it's Alcacer. Now, can he capitalise? Musa. And Musa! Musa! Oh, he really got hold of that.
Well, it was hit with great power, Peter, but sadly, not great precision.
It so nearly came off for him.
Musa, very nearly making something happen there. You can't keep a good man down.
He's left his man. Just wouldn't be beaten there. It's Henderson. Threw himself at it, but he's got it cleanly.
Oh, super tackle. They were outnumbered and under the cosh. That had to be spot on, and it was.
Oh, it's opened up nicely for him. Going for goal! And that's past the post. Henderson, played out to the right, going through. It's come loose. Henderson plays a clever pass. And that's that. A demolition, destruction, annihilation. They simply ran away with it. How would you summarise what we've seen today then, Jim?
Everton certainly ran a perfect race from start to finish. Out of the blocks quickly, they got themselves in front and they just didn't look back.
That's it for today. Thank you, Jim, and goodbye.